everyone, and welcome to a new week at Newlands Primary School. I sure hope you had a good weekend. I'm sure you did. Did you get to play out in the sunshine? Remember, playing outside when it's sunny like this is very, very good. It's for you to help you get vitamin D, which is an important vitamin to have for a healthy body and a healthy mind. I know I got outside and I made sure I got some sunshine. Now, this week we have a new week, and with that we have a new focus for our year of being healthy. And the focus this week is on creativity. We've talked about creativity before. Do you remember what creativity is? I want you to think for a moment. What is creativity? If I said you are to be creative or to try to be creative, or that you are creative, what does that mean? I want you to think. Talk to your neighbor about it. What's creativity? Now, I heard lots of different things about what you thought creativity is. A lot of you told me things that are very creative. You told me about painting and drawing and making things. You did, I heard you. And some of you told me that creativity is when you do something that is different than normal, and that can be very exciting. It can be a hobby, it can be fun. Being creative helps us to use our imagination and to create things that can be very beautiful, whether it be a story or a song or artwork or a craft. That is what's so great about being creative. People who are creative help us to find solutions to problems. If there's a problem, then someone who's been very creative has created a solution to it. So think about it. What if wheels on a car weren't round and they were square? Do you think the car or the bus would bounce around when it was driving? Yeah, there were some creative people many, many, many years ago that came up with a round wheel. More years ago than you can ever imagine. They were creative and they thought, you know what, I'm going to solve a problem. And they did, and they now have a smooth ride on anything that uses wheels. And there are lots of other things that people have been creative about and have done inventions that have solved some problems. So lots of things. People were creative, really working hard and using their imaginations to think of how we could solve some things. Now, this week our challenge is going to be around creativity, but I'm not actually asking you to solve a problem. No, I'm asking you to think about how you can make our school environment more beautiful while being creative while you're outside. Yes, we have our break times and our lunch times now outside with another class, which is really exciting. And I would love the classes to kind of work together when they're outside to create some lovely works of art to make our school environment beautiful. But that does mean you're going to have to be a bit creative. So think about it. Maybe your teacher will give you some chalks and you'll be able to do some chalk drawings onto our playground. Maybe you'll collect some things from nature, from the trees and the grass and the bushes, and you'll make some little works of art around the playground. I just want you to be creative. Maybe, and this does help us to be beautiful as well. You might be creative in creating new games, because when you're playing together and you're working together so nicely, that makes our school environment a beautiful place to be. So the challenge this week is around being creative when you're outside at break time and lunchtime. You got it? Good. All right now, I can't wait to see what everyone is up to this week. Have a good week, and I'll see you on Friday. Bye.